We are not who we once were. That is what elite colleges across the United States want you to believe about them. It's true, they aren't. Universities are touting unprecedented diversity numbers with respect to race and class. According to Princeton University, the class of 2021 was its most diverse in a modern era, including more first-generation college students than ever before. Many other colleges are also making similar headlines. Particularly notable are the rapidly growing number of schools that have admitted their first majority-minority classes, meaning there are more students of color than white students. In 2017, Cornell University recorded its third consecutive year in which prospective students set a new record for the number of applicants who self-identify as an underrepresented racial minority. The glee is palpable.